So live uncomfortable now so you can live comfortable later on in life. So guys, just want to talk to you here a little bit real quick. We are down here in Daytona Beach on I don't know, Wednesday. I'm not actually even quite sure what day it is. The reason why we're able to do this, kids wanted to go see Mickey Mouse. I guess they had a day off. So we said, you know what, let's jump in the car, let's take a drive, let's hit the coast. We hit Savannah, Georgia yesterday. Now we're hitting the beach, Daytona Beach. We're going to be on our way to Orlando. I think we're going to hit Tampa. And then we're going to be on our way back to the home front. The reason why we were able to do this in kind of a just sort of drop at a dime is because we don't have a 9 to 5. We don't have to worry about checking into a boss. We had to do that early on, but because of some of the sacrifices, by not chasing the trends, by not buying every single thing that we wanted to early on, being a little bit uncomfortable early on in our career, we now get to live this comfortable lifestyle later on in our life. If you're hanging around friends and they're going out partying and they're getting their check and they're spending the whole thing on new shoes, new clothes, catching up to the trend, you may be fashionable. You may fit in. You may feel like you're living rich. But the truth is, you're not. You're tied to the man because you got to go back to that 9 to 5 to make that next check to then go do the same thing. Instead, I urge you early on in your wealth building career, early on, especially in your 20s, take all of that money, work extra, take all of that money and throw that into assets, something that's going to give you that return on investment. And when those return on investments pay for your bills, well, you're financially free. Do that another 5 years and you'll get to a point where you can jump in a car at any point in time, go to the beach, fly to Italy, Amsterdam. It doesn't really matter. You can do whatever you want to. You'll never have to worry about income because those assets will continue to keep paying you for the rest of your life. That's financial freedom. That's something you got to strive for. So live uncomfortable now so you can live comfortable later on in life. Think about it.